All right, guys, so here's the bottom line up front on seeing Victoria Falls in a very unique and adrenaline-pumping way. The Devil's Pool is right on the edge of the falls. Depending on when you come, if the flow's high or low, it'll be just like a placid little pool that you can look over the edge, or since we're here in January and they're about to shut it down because the flow of water is getting so heavy, you'll literally feel the water trying to push you over the falls. So you will be scared, you will have fun. It's about $100. They'll take you on a little boat ride to Livingstone Island, give you a little tour, give you breakfast, take you to the pool, and then they'll take you back. So great way to see the falls. There are other ways to see the falls, but that'll be a different video. So if you're gonna do the Devil's Pool right on the edge of the falls, they'll bring you to Livingstone Island on a little boat like that. It's like a 3 to 5 minute journey through the waters. You might see a little baby crocodile. We saw a baby crocodile, really exciting, like a foot long. Had its mouth open, it was like sun tanning. They'll pull you up to the island and then you'll jump off. We're gonna go on a tour of the falls, or at least what we can see from this island. And then the swim to Devil's Pool or Angel's Pool is optional because the current flow is pretty high right now. And they said if you're not a strong swimmer, probably not a good idea because you're on the edge of Victoria Falls. Obviously, we're gonna do it. Cheers. We're here too. We're here too.
Awesome.
Okay. When you get to Livingstone Island, the tour operator is gonna give everyone some juice, let them stand around and get to know each other, basically to calm your nerves. There's gonna be a lot of nervous laughter.
Just to calm your nerves, yeah.
As quickly as possible.
But it's not long until they walk you over and let you look at the waters that you're going to have to swim to get to the Devil's Pool.
That's the Devil's Pool. You have to get there.
3 of the 9 in our group decided this was not an adventure for them.
You see, all the time the guide you are here to make sure that you are very safe.
Yes.
Yes.
Once you agree to make the swim, they take everyone's cameras, phones, put them in a waterproof bag, and before you know it, you're scrambling on the edge of Victoria Falls.